Question number 29. A train traveling in a straight line emits a sound of constant frequency f. So whenever there is a problem on this one, frequency, relative motion and so on, first write down the equation for Doppler effect. What is the equation for Doppler effect? The apparent frequency is equal to C plus V source divided by C minus V observer multiplied by the real frequency. This is the formula for whether the observer is moving away, nearby, whatever it is, you can use this formula with appropriate sign notation. Okay. An observer at rest. What do you mean by observer at rest? That means this V observer is at rest. We put V observer equal to 0. So now this will become C plus Vs divided by C multiplied by F. Okay. Very close to the path of the train detects a sound of continuously decreasing frequency, which means what? The frequency that he hears here is seen to be decreasing. So here is the observer and a train is now said to be passing through him and it is seen that the frequency decreases. When does the frequency decrease? C should decrease, Vs should decrease, this should increase. If C is decreasing, then you can say something. But what is C here? Speed of sound here. Speed of sound, which will never increase or decrease. It remains the same in air. Now what is Vs here? The Vs is nothing but the speed of source. Now, so therefore Vs should decrease. Vs should decrease according to the problem. So train is approaching the observer at constant speed. No. Approaching the observer at increasing speed, which means what? Vs is increasing. No. That means the frequency would have increased. Moving away from the observer at constant speed. No. If Vs was constant, then he would have not recognized the frequency to be a decreasing one. So it's also incorrect. Moving away from the observer at increasing speed. This is the right one. When you say moving away from the observer at increasing speed, which means what? You are moving away, so Vs will become negative over there, right? Vs becomes negative, so you have C minus Vs now starts reducing. When this starts reducing, this multiplied by the frequency will also become lesser and lesser as a result of it. D is the right option.